special delivery.
Okay guys, Carty and Carty part 2 of this video. Just letting you guys know that maybe I'm going to have to do a part 3. So what I'm going to do now, this is the show you a little way that I solder the SMDs. Alright, so look guys, I get one end and the solder right here, and then cause this one is the 4.7 ohms. Uh-oh. Yeah, then I do that. This guy, so I solder one end to one end of the resistor, and then I'm going to do the same with this. Oh no, that wasn't the 4.7 ohms. Oh my words, yikes, guys! This one was the 1K ohms. How did I get them twisted? This one goes right here. Yeah, this one goes right here, guys. This one doesn't go there. Come on. Yep. Yep. Yeah. All right. Yes, guys, that's the 1K ohm. Just to make sure everything's okay. Yep. I got it twisted just now, guys. All right. So this is a 4.7 ohms right here. Aha. And this is right here and this. So 4.7, this one is connected to the fan, and this one was shattered there. This one was really burnt. Yeah. Yikes, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Make sure it's seated properly, guys. That's how we do it. Yep. And then, no, guys, I'm going to have to see this BC 817 SMD transistor. So I'm going to solder. Well, at least going to try to solder to the tip of this right here. Wow, come on. And I did, guys. So this transistor is right here, guys, and this focus is not good on this camera. Oh man, it falls off. So let's just put it in the circuit and try to get it work. Wow. Oh yeah. So this should be good, right? What I'm. Wow. So guys, I don't want too much heat to go to it because might damage the chip. It's really small. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run a little piece of copper wire right here just to make connection with the other part of the circuit. Guys, it burnt out really bad, guys. I don't think you guys can see, but let me give you guys a really close up look of what I'm dealing with. If you guys can see the space between the man, I don't know why this, guys, this phone doesn't really focus that thing. Yeah, it don't do the focus thing really, as I would say properly. All right, so guys, let's see. So I'm gonna run a little copper strip. See, I'm using a piece of wire. Let me give you guys a full view of what I'm doing. I hate to leave out details of what I'm doing, guys. Definitely. I wish I could make my videos really longer so you guys could see what I do every step of the way. But sometimes, it's hard. That's why I like to show you guys what exactly I do, detail. So now I'm soldering. Right across there because there was it, you know burnt out and it take a piece of the circuit right there. So guys, I have to make a little bridge. So as I said, this is the R R70 is the 1K ohms, and the R64, that is a zero. That is why I'm saying that R 64, guys. R64 is the 4R7 ohms. 4R7 ohms. Okay, that's it. So this amplifier almost finished. So let me see what I'm going to do here right now. So that's not in. Alright, so I'm going to replace this right here, guys. Let's replace one and see what's going on. So I'm going to replace this MOSFET here. And this MOSFET, guys, is the IRGP 4066. This is IRGP 4066. IRGP 4066. And because it was connected with this one, I'm gonna replace both of them. Definitely going to replace both of them. Right, that's looking nice right there. Alright guys, come on this side because they have some solder on this side. That's come on. Guys, that's one. This side of a bunch of it's a double-sided board, guys, so it's soldered on this side also. So I have to remove this solder before I get these MOSFET out. Yep, that's the bad one right there. The other one was reading good, but going to replace it also. So guys, that's it. Alright, so before I show you guys, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. This one is the, hold on, let me make sure this camera is focusing here. I have these here, guys. I'm going to replace them with. Alright, so let's see where they were at. The pin was like right here. The bent was on this, like this. Definitely. Yikes. Mm-hmm. Right, guys. Uh-oh, what the heck did I do? I bent that one on the wrong side. Be like this. Guys, so let's solder. It's together right here. Let's just put this MOSFET, guys, where it should go. Aha. Wow. Come back, come back, come back. Yikes. Okay, guys, so that's it. Output MOSFET has been installed. So, guys, let's see right here now. Whew. These things are hot. Let me solder on this side too, just to strengthen the solder work right here.
Special delivery.